Good morning. It's afternoon.
It is afternoon. So 12:35.
Welcome back to the channel. What we got going on today?
A brand new chapter.
Brand new
chapter.
Chapter.
We're going to get a container, 40-foot shipping container to use as a storage and a workshop.
And a solar.
Rack. Be right back. I'll open the gate.
Marv's gonna get the gate. Well, I would say we're not actually going to get it. We're going to just look at it. So it's about 50 miles, or yeah, 50 minutes away. So that's what we're doing today. We'll let you know how everything goes. We'll bring you along, show you the shipping container. Oh, and we got our laundry in the back. We got to go do laundry. But really good news, our septic is complete. Yay! We got a septic system. Oh my gosh. We just gotta attach the attachments so I can dump the RV, plumb some things, and we'll be so much better off. Oh my gosh, we are coming a long way, people. It's the little things, the little wins. There's Mark back there. See him in the mirror. Yeah, those are the so it's the little wins, right? The little things that add up for the big picture.
The big picture.
Wide awake, all the memories are on replay. I reach for you, but you're thousands of miles away. Every heartbeat, every breath is filled with thoughts of you. I am so lost without you, and I don't know what to do. Sleepless nights, filled with all the things I didn't say, that will make it okay. Turn back time, never let you slip away. Every heartbeat, every breath is filled with thoughts of...
Well, welcome back to the channel. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's a little late start, isn't it?
It's close to 11:30.
Not too bad. We didn't have anything going on. What are we doing today?
Well, we're going to Lowe's to pick up some supplies for solar connections, solar installation, and some plumbing for the septic, and some blocks to set the new shipping container on.
We're getting a shipping container?
Yeah, we're getting a 40-foot shipping container.
40-foot shipping
Delivered
container.
tomorrow around 10 o'clock. And we're gonna have a workshop and storage.
Oh man, that's gonna be a game changer for sure.
Absolutely. Right now we have no place to put anything, any lumber to keep it dry or tools to keep them arranged. And I even want to get a workbench.
Yeah. Now, is this going to be like we're gonna have our solar panels installed on there too?
Yep, I think we're gonna put the solar panels on top of it, and
cool.
Eventually we'll move the big water tanks up there too on the pad.
Up there where they're at. Okay.
Close to the shipping container, so we can eventually continue on building our little small home out here.
Yeah, and our water capture system and all that.
Anyways, our storage unit's going to be arriving before the monsoon rain starts, so we can get everything stored where it's going to be nice and dry. And
that's good. Our generator.
We could actually work in our workshop on rainy days. And
that'll be awesome.
I'm going to start building some cupboards and some base cabinets for the tiny house.
Yes. A full wall of cabinetry.
Absolutely.
I need a camera storage system.
Well, you better build another 40-foot container then.
It's funny. That is funny. So we're gonna mount our solar panels on top of the container, some sort of configuration. Not sure exactly. We think we're gonna use unistruts. So we're going to buy unistruts today, and we have to get some pebbles for our pad. We've got the pad for the one end on the container, but the other end, it's got a little bit of regular dirt, so we need a little bit of some pebbles there just to keep it from muddying up, and make a good little pad for the square pads we're going to sit it on.
Yep. And we'll have to get some AB mix and put down to
definitely make our little pad better.
Yep.
I worked on the pad yesterday and drove over it and packed it down with the Jeep, and I think that did help a little bit. It is rattling in here.
See, there's something inside or on the roof, one of the two.
We got a rattle. So that's our adventure for today.
Every day's a new adventure.
Well, never know what we're gonna get into. Alright, we got everything.
I think we have everything.
We did our shopping.
We have partially everything.
Oh yeah, we don't have everything.
We don't have everything. But we got the costly shit.
We got most of the stuff.
Yeah.
tortilla and jelly with mozzarella cheese. Oh yeah.
So here's our container, just arrived. 40-foot container, 9 feet high and a little bit over 8 feet wide. And he's taking it up on the pad that we have up there. It's going to go up the driveway, up on the hill, sitting up there. And then it's going to have our solar on it. And we went and looked at it yesterday. It's a good shape, good floor in it. It's no leaks in it. So we're looking forward to it. Get back to it in a little bit. There we go. We're going to have to definitely paint this camouflage it somehow. But this is going to be our solar on top of the containers. So we have plenty of solar power. Very interesting how they do this. I expected a big long truck to deliver this thing. It's only about 9,000 pounds, so it's not all that bad. Okay, I think he's gonna start putting it up. We have pads at the back. I'm putting it on cement pads. And we can also level it after. See the pads that he's putting it on? It's quite a process. Right out. It's still jacking up because there's a hole there. We have a, oh, that one just slightly cracked. Wow. This is the best side too. And this will become our solar and our workshop in storage.
Yeah, we got us a container.
Wow.
Pretty hot in here. Well, we got a container.
Storage.
Watch those nails.
Yeah.
Nails there. Damn. That's a lot of storage.
A lot of storage. Wow.
Cool. let it sit in the okay
Nope.
high.
Yeah, that's not gonna get no water.
I think we're gonna have to definitely adjust it a little bit because these doors are
All these doors are a bear anyways.
doors are a bear. I like it.
I do too.
We got a shipping container, people. How about that? Woohoo! Alright, there you go. There's our shipping container. I'm gonna go get a level and see if we can level that thing. Windy out here today. Out here in the high desert. Let's level this shipping container. Got it pretty level, but I want to make sure. The doors are a little tough to open, so we'll see about that. Alright, so we got to raise it up a little bit on the end. Not much, man. We're like an inch off. It's pretty good. About an inch off. Not sure about the pink color. That's all right. Gonna paint a mountain scene on it with desert tan and some mesquite, so it looks like it's, you know, you won't even see it. I'll get back and watch it and we'll paint it a nice landscape. What do you think?
Yep.
Cool. I'm happy.
I am too.